Okay guys, good day to you all. Welcome to my kitchen. So for today's recipe we'll be making egusi soup. So I'll be using this non-stick pot to fry my egusi. So I'm placing it on the fire to dry. So for the ingredients I'll be using to fry the egusi, I have sliced onion here, and I have a blended fresh tomato and fresh chili. So I'll use this to fry the egusi. I like using fresh tomato to fry my egusi. It brings out that delicious taste from the egusi. Yeah, it's a kind of it's very delicate soup. If you don't know how to cook it well, then you just end up cooking, waiting not to get head like that. So yeah, so now I am pouring red oil. This portion should be like should come out like maybe, let's say, 5 plates of egusi soup. So for here I have a blended egusi, you understand? So you have to make it like this. It depends. So you can also use dry one. It depends. You can mix it with water, whatever. You know, cooking is how you can do it very well. You understand? You don't follow my recipe, but you can also learn 1 or 2 things from me. Yes. So you can go to YouTube and check other people's recipe also, then come up with your own idea. By the time you take from here, you combine it with your own idea, you will do perfectly well. So for the oil, I'm not gonna let the oil to bleach. You understand? No need to let the oil, to allow the oil to bleach. So once the oil is hot, I'll be pouring the onion. Yes. Allow it to fry a little bit. Let the flavor of the onion comes out very well before you can add the blended tomato and the fresh pepper. Okay, the onion is fried. So I'm pouring the blended tomato and the fresh pepper on it. So without wasting time, I'll be putting the egusi paste inside the pot. This egusi, I don't know whether this egusi is from China. I don't understand. The one I bought from Nigeria, that egusi, very fine. But this one I bought here, let's say made in China. So look at the way I'm putting the egusi. It's supposed to form lumps by the time fries very well. But this egusi, I'm afraid, no matter how you use your technique to cook it, no go form. See the one like that. There are so many ways of cooking egusi soup. If you want to cook it, there's so many other ways. There's a lot of traditional ways, and also so now I'll cover the pot. Don't stir it. Just cover it like this. Let it cook together. You understand? To form that lump.